Good day, everybody. All right, so we are making delicious crumpets today. I am showing you the two different ones because I'm making for my mother as well before she goes away, and my dad. Milo's screaming. Now, there are two ways. Well, actually, there are many ways that you can make crumpets, and they're very simple. The crumpets are these very soft, doughy kind of things with all these holes in, and you roast them. And basically, you put your own toppings on. Most of the time, people have butter, or some people put Marmite or chocolate spread. Today, I'm going to do, for me, I'm just going to have one or two of these small ones for breakfast with just some butter. But my mom and dad are having cheese, beans, and bacon. Check that out, guys, right? So that is going on these big ones. Mom and dad are having one each. So we will see. I will show you this in a moment, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to toast all of them. So the bacon bits are cooking nicely. They don't take too long, so we want to cook this all together. While it's toasting, do the beans, everything all at once. I am doing a lazy method because of time. I'm microwaving the beans, but most of the time they're better to be done in a pan. So as you can see, very simple. Butter melting into the crumpet. Very simple. That's what I like. I don't like much more than that. As with all, we're going to put some butter on, and then we're going to add the cheese. So we got the cheese on there. Then we're going to add the bacon. So we got the bacon on here. Then we're going to add a splash. Now, when I say a splash, I mean a splash. You don't want to use a lot of, and I can never say this word, Worcestershire sauce. Just drizzle that over the top. And then we're going to take our beans, and just carefully spoon them over. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Look at that. Gotta make a lot for my family. Always enjoyed. Have an absolutely wonderful day, everybody. Bye.